What is this? Cow. I give you fresh milk. What is this? Sheep. Soft and fluffy white wool. What is this? Horse. I can run very fast. What is this? Zebra. Fashionable black stripes. What is this? Elephant. I have a very long nose. What is this? Hippo. I love staying in water. What is this? Giraffe. I have a very long neck. What is this? Camel. I can walk in the desert. What is this? Deer. Beautiful eyes and horns. What is this? Fox. Very smart and clever. Incredible. Now, prepare for the final boss stage. Let's go. Keep building your confidence. See you in the next flight.